OnlyTG has now launched Social Media Growth Services, SMM Panel, supporting platforms including Telegram, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and X. This service helps you rapidly boost followers, views, reactions, and other metrics for your social media accounts in a short period. It can effectively improve your social credibility and influence, laying a solid foundation for all your future operation campaigns. So, how can you purchase the services? First, locate the bot at SMMP on bot on Telegram and send the start command to it. The bot will send a welcome message. If you are a first-time user, click the recharge button under the welcome message to top up your account. You can see your balance here. The exchange rate is 1 USDT equals 1 point, with a minimum recharge amount of 10 USDT. You may quickly select preset recharge amounts below or click custom to enter a personalized recharge value. Next, confirm your order details and select your payment method. After completing payment via QR code, click I have paid to refresh the order status. Once the status changes to paid, your top-up is successful. And you can click the profile or recharge button below the welcome message to check your balance in the pop-up message. Once your account is funded, you can start purchasing services. Click the products button on the welcome message, select your target platform and growth type in sequence, then pick the service you need. Here I will select a service to boost view counts for Telegram channel posts. After selection, detailed information about this service will be displayed, including pricing, quantity, estimated waiting time, and notes. If this service is not what you need, hit the back button to browse other options. A quick reminder, you can also top up funds by clicking the recharge button here if your balance is insufficient. After selecting your desired service, click Buy to proceed. Submit the corresponding link as prompted. Then choose the purchase quantity. You can pick fixed quantity options or enter a custom number. Finally, review all order information and click Confirm, and the service will start automatically. Use the refresh button to update your order status. If you want to check order status later, open the welcome message and click Profile, then select Orders. You can view all your order records here, covering service orders and recharge orders. Toggle between orders and recharges to switch displays. Let's take a look at the growth results. This Telegram channel post now has over 500 more views than before, exactly matching the volume I purchased. Besides the Telegram bot, you can also buy services through the OnlyTG console. Enter app.onlytg.io in your browser and log in. Navigate to Shop from the left sidebar to access the SMM panel and purchase social media growth services. Whether you're building your social presence from scratch or already running accounts steadily, our social media growth service can significantly lift your metrics within a short time. Go ahead and give it a try.